10 Amazing Health Benefits of Sexual Intimacy. Did you know that sexual intimacy is not just about pleasure? It can also improve your health, boost your mood, and even strengthen your heart. In this video, we'll explore 10 scientifically proven benefits of a healthy sex life that might surprise you. 1. Strengthens emotional connection. Strengthens emotional connection. Intimacy can deepen trust, love, and bonding between partners. 2. Reduces stress. Reduces stress. Physical closeness and release of endorphins help relax the mind and body. 3. Improves heart health. Improves heart health. Moderate physical activity during intercourse supports cardiovascular health. 4. Boosts immunity. Boosts immunity. Regular intimacy may improve the immune system's ability to fight illnesses. 5. Enhances sleep quality. Enhances sleep quality. Hormones released after intercourse promote relaxation and better sleep. 6. Supports hormonal balance. Supports hormonal balance. It can regulate hormones related to mood, desire, and reproduction. 7. Burns calories. Burns calories. Sexual activity is a form of exercise that can burn calories and improve stamina. 8. Relieves pain. Relieves pain. Endorphins released can help reduce headaches, cramps, and other body aches. 9. Increases self-confidence. Increases self-confidence. Positive physical intimacy can improve self-esteem and body image. 10. May improve fertility. May improve fertility. For couples trying to conceive, regular intercourse increases chances of pregnancy.